Living in a digital world utilizing old conventional ways of managing a business no longer work in today's digital society. Along with being great at what you do, you now need to be able to create an online presence for your business in order to sustain yourself and compete nowadays. You have to learn how to design and maintain your website, pay for targeted ads to get leads, use social media to brand yourself, and these technologies haven't made your life easier as studies suggest they should. And outsourcing these technologies to stay ahead is exhausting and expensive in addition to running your business. That's why we designed YUFixit, a mobile application that connects technicians to potential customers nationwide, making your sourcing of new potential clients simple. We take your repair business to tons of customers and remove the hassle of finding them. So how does it work? It's very easy. You'll tell us about your business, what kind of services you provide, what times you're available, and places you'd like to cover, and we'll handle the rest. So when potential customers come to YUFixit searching for your services, we ask them what they need done and we match their needs with yours, which in turn brings tons of clients to you. So no more maintaining your website, making annoying cold calls, buying quote credits you don't need, and most importantly, no complicated online ad buying. YUFixit makes taking your business online simple and easy so you can focus on providing the best repair services, bettering your trade, and most importantly, giving you time to spend focusing on family, fun, and friends. Get started today and sign up for YUFixit, where repair sourcing is made simple.